to my channel. And if you're new, hello, I'm Olesya Kwite. I'm very happy that you decided to watch one of my videos. Hope that you gonna love other my videos, so don't forget to check this channel. And if you want, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you have new ideas, new advices, I don't know, maybe something new that you want to advise to me, that you want to see in my videos, please write in comments below or in my Instagram. And yeah, thank you guys that you decided to watch my video, and love you very much, and let's get started this video. So guys, this video is going to be a bit unusual for me, for my kind of soul, for my mind, but I hope that you're gonna enjoy this video. And yeah, you can see this world behind my back. It looks awful, let's be honest. It's very old, it's boring, I don't know. I wanted to make something unusual, so I waited for so long time to do it, and my parents were against, and finally they agreed that I can do it, and I'm so happy, guys. So let's finally understand what I want to do. I print not so much photos, of course I will print so much more. I print about 30 different photos, and I want to make a photo wall near my bed. It's gonna be interesting experience for me. It's gonna be something unusual, something new, something interesting again, and I really want to start to do it. So I print just few photos that I really like, that I made myself, so no one made them, only I, sometimes my mom, because there you can see a lot of my photos. And guys, I didn't want just to find photos in Pinterest or in Tumblr or I don't know where, in Google, just find them. No, I wanted to have this kind of wall of memories, because for me memories are very important. I always want to remember this those amazing days, I don't know, meetings, friends, people, everything. I decided to create new space for my work before school year starts. I decided to decorate my flat, my apartment, especially my room, because my room is my corner, small corner, where I can create something, everything I can create there, and this place must motivate me. Because if my room is very boring, then I can't create something amazing, interesting and all this stuff. And I want to be a really great YouTuber, blogger, and for me it's really important to have motivation, inspiration every day. So guys, let's do it. I decided that I want to make photo wall on this wall because it looks really old and awful, and near bed I'm gonna make something different, maybe vision board or something like this. And I want to tell you that I print about 100 photos, but it's not so much. I need 3 times is more. And right now I'm gonna cut them with this kind of knife, this special cut putty mat and liner. All my photos, you can see how many I have there, about 100 photos, and right now we're gonna try to put them on this wall with the help of, I don't know, maybe glue, maybe something else, I don't know, we're gonna think about it and let's do it together. And I want to tell you that you're gonna see some results between before and after, and final result you can see in my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me in Instagram, and there you can see the final result very soon. I hope that you can see it on Sunday in my Instagram. I promise you, if I can make it earlier, I'm gonna make it earlier on Friday, but let's begin it. Let me share how it looks. I think it looks quite pretty. I'm gonna add more photos with Bella there, and I take camera in very awful way so you don't see how it really looks like. I think it's quite beautiful, but I promise you that you're gonna see the final result in my Instagram. The half of work is done. I need to end up doing it till my battery. So I'm gonna print more, as I count 90 photos. And yep guys, you don't forget to check result in my Instagram on Friday.